We tested out the new Addmotor e-bike. This thing is fine.
The bike is a really fun way to travel. Just do it when you're doing something little, like going from your house to a park, or just like a bike area where you can ride your bike. It's nice peacefulness, and it's super fun. It's really actually powerful. It can go on like any surface, like grass, rocks, wood chips, sand, concrete.
The bike comes in two colors, black and orange. I got them both because I wanted to be able to enjoy this with family, friends, whatnot. I also fly drones for fun. That's my side hobby, and this bike has really complemented that pretty well. But overall, I'm just an outdoorsy person, and it's fun to use this bike to just go out riding, finding cool little spots where I can go fly my drone. I ordered the bike from righteek.com. Service was awesome. I had a few questions before the purchase. They answered it promptly. Best part was I ordered it on a Thursday, and on Friday it arrived at my house, and come to find out they're located right here in El Monte, California, which is local to me, so it was overnight delivery for free. First e-bike purchase. I did a lot of research, of course, since it's not exactly a cheap bike. The price tag may seem a little hefty, but once you get the bike, you enjoy it, and see the performance, you'll quickly see that it's quality and it's worth it, and you do get what you pay for. This is the 2018 model, the Motan M150-P7. It has a 750 watt motor. The amount of power this thing packs is amazing. I'm a heavy guy. I'm not a light person at all, and it takes off without hesitation. Even handles slopes and stuff without an issue. So that was really surprising to me. And it comes with 5 pedal assist, and on pedal assist 1 you actually get a decent workout. So it's not all cheating. So you do, me and my daughter have gone out on rides for a couple of hours. You come back with a decent workout while still enjoying a pleasant ride. And of course, when you get too tired, you can use the accelerator alone on the handlebar and not having to pedal at all. That's a nice feature. So by far the coolest feature of this bike, and probably the main reason why I got it, it folds. Foldable bike. Really simple to fold it. There. Boom. of the bikes fit in the small Honda HR-V. It's a really small car. And with plenty of room to spare for other gear, camping, hiking, whatnot. Pretty sweet.
Oh, oh, not gonna make it. Yeah, yeah. Woo. Damn. Woohoo!
Woo! Damn. That was fun. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos. Thanks everyone, see you next time.
Dan?
I can't ride like this, it's scary. Daddy, Daddy!
Come on!
I can't ride like Daddy, I can't ride like this!
Whoa!
Daddy, stop!
Why can't you ride like that?